In this video, I show you how to fix your message was not sent problem on WhatsApp. For fixing this problem, follow this step and first of all check your connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data signal. Toggle airplane mode on and wait 10 seconds and turn off it. Wait 10 seconds, then turn on it again. Then verify the phone number. Make sure the recipient is registered on WhatsApp and their number is saved in the full international format. Then restart the app. For doing this, go to settings, then go to apps and find out WhatsApp. Tap on it. Tap on force stop, then OK. Now clear cache. Tap on storage and cache, then clear cache. Now open WhatsApp. Now message someone. Now I hope that this method fix your message was not sent problem on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.